Hello guys, today we have this Machenike G5 Pro controller. We're gonna go ahead and unbox it and see what's inside. Let's go ahead and open this box. Inside the box we have the USB cable. It's a Type-C to a regular USB-A. We have a USB dongle, and finally we have our remote right here. Wow, look how cool it looks with those RGB lights. This remote is actually awesome. The color on this is black. The top is transparent. In the controller, you're gonna find different modes. You're gonna be able to switch from Android right there to the Switch, to the PC, and to the mode of 2.4 gigahertz, which is by using this dongle. You can also use the remote by directly connecting it hardwired using the USB cable provided. So it does have a lot of modes that you can actually use this remote. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how simple it is to connect this remote to your Switch. First, you're gonna get the remote, you're gonna put it on the Switch mode. Then you're gonna go ahead and connect it to the USB-C cable connected to the Switch right there. Once it's connected, then you're gonna go ahead and press the button for 3 seconds. And once this is connected, you're gonna press the 2 buttons right here. Right there, we have our remote connected. And now you can simply start gaming. Okay, so we're gonna continue to enjoy our new Machenike Pro controller. I hope that this information was useful to you. I wanna thank you for watching and see you in the next video.